Try this quick recipe for the creamiest butter chicken handy. You'll need tomatoes, plain yogurt, unsalted butter, cheddar cheese, heavy cream, chicken breast, and spices. Start by cutting the chicken breast into bite-sized cubes. Blend the tomatoes into a smooth paste, then melt butter in a large saucepan over medium heat. Add ginger garlic paste and sauté for 1 to 2 minutes until it smells great and turns golden. Mix in the blended tomato paste and cook until it thickens and gets a deep color. Now, add red chili powder, chili flakes, turmeric, coriander, and cumin. Cook the spices for 1 to 2 minutes to bring out their flavor. Add the chicken cubes and cook until they're browned on all sides, and the mixture starts to dry up. Pour in the yogurt and turn up the heat. Cook until most of the liquid evaporates and the chicken is covered in a thick, tasty gravy. Turn the heat to low and add cream and cheese cubes. Stir until the cheese melts into a smooth sauce that coats the chicken. Sprinkle with mixed herbs, and you're done. Your butter chicken handy is ready to serve. Full recipe details are in the description. Subscribe for more quick and delicious recipes.